Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most popular online course platforms out there, LearnWorlds and Thinkific. If you're thinking about building online courses, selling digital products, or launching a full training academy, you're going to want to stick with me throughout this video. Let's get started. LearnWorlds is a full-featured online course platform and learning management system, or LMS, designed for educators, entrepreneurs, businesses who want to not just upload course content, but also create highly engaging interactive learning experiences. With LearnWorlds, you get tools like interactive video, built-in quizzes, certificates, customizable course players, Scrum support, and even the possibility of white label mobile apps, meaning your learners can install your branded app on iOS and Android. LearnWorlds also focuses on community and engagement features, letting you build a richer educational experience than just static videos and PDFs. Thinkific, on the other hand, is one of the most popular and widely used online course platforms, especially for beginners and small business owners. It offers a drag-and-drop course builder, a robust set of tools for uploading videos and materials, quizzes, assignments, and its own mobile learning option. It's also known for its integrations with other tools like email marketing, Zoom for live lessons, automation platforms, CRMs, and more, which makes it a solid choice if you want your course to tie neatly into your broader business tech stack. So at a high level, LearnWorlds is ideal for creators who want deeper engagement, interactivity, and personalization, while Thinkific is great for creators who want an easy-to-use platform that integrates well with existing business tools and scales nicely as they grow. Now, let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. As regards course creation and engagement, both platforms shine in basic course creation, so you can upload videos, PDFs, text, build modules, drip content, and deliver certificates. They both support quizzes and assignments, but here's where things get interesting. LearnWorlds offers interactive video editing, meaning you can embed buttons, questions, prompts, and checkpoints directly into your videos as students watch, something Thinkific does not really provide. LearnWorlds also gives you gradebooks, advanced question banks, and supports for Scrum and HTML5 learning files right out of the box. As regards Thinkific's course tools are simpler, but more flexible in other ways. You get an AI-generated course outline and quizzes, you get live lessons via Zoom integration, assignments, and community spaces built in. Also, you get a mobile learning app, and Thinkific allows for deeper customization of your course structure without too much complexity. Now, let us talk about design and customization. Both platforms let you brand your course site and customize your URL or domain name, but LearnWorlds goes further with advanced customization across your academy layout, course player, and even app builder options. Thinkific's theme system is intuitive and clean, but it's a bit more template-based compared to the nearly limitless designs that you can craft in LearnWorlds. So if brand cohesion and a unified learner experience are important, then LearnWorlds gives you more artistic control. Next, we talk about sales and marketing as well as e-commerce. In terms of selling your courses, both platforms support one-time payments, subscriptions, bundles, coupons, and memberships. They both let you connect payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. Thinkific has a broader marketplace of integrations, which includes platforms for email automation, affiliate programs, CRM systems, analytics tools, and more of these platforms, which can plug straight into your course business. LearnWorld focuses instead on built-in marketing tools. And while it integrates with essential tools too, it emphasizes everything inside one ecosystem, including affiliate tracking and advanced analytics. Now, let us talk about the elephant in the room, the pricing. For LearnWorlds, there's a starter plan at $24 per month, a pro trainer at $79 per month, the most popular plan, which is the Learning Center, at $249 per month, and a high volume and corporate plan where you speak to the sales teams directly. Now, these are all yearly payments. If you decide to pay monthly, the prices jump up. And for Thinkific, There is a basic plan at $36 per month, a start plan at $74 per month, the Grow plan at $149 per month, and of course Thinkific Plus, where you also speak to the sales team. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? Let's start with the pros. For LearnWorlds, highly interactive course features are enabled, like video and advanced quizzes. There's strong customization and branding options, and there's compliance and advanced LMS tools. And the pros of Thinkific? Very beginner friendly and easy to set up. It is better for integrating existing business tools. There's also native email marketing and automation tools. How about the cons? For LearnWorlds, it can be more complex for beginners to learn, and some features are locked behind the higher tier plans. And the cons of Thinkific? Fewer built-in advanced engagement features, and also customization limits without coding. So here's the honest truth. Both platforms are excellent, but they serve slightly different audiences. So which is best, LearnWorlds or Thinkific? Here's the breakdown. If you want a high engagement learning experience with interactive videos, advanced assessments, deep branding, and the ability to build a true learning academy, LearnWorlds is an amazing choice. Creators who want their course to feel like a destination rather than just a set of videos often prefer this platform. But on the other hand, if you're new to course creation, you want something that's simple to launch and that integrates smoothly with your marketing stack and also scales with your business without too much hassle, then Thinkific is clearly appealing. And that's it on the comparison of LearnWorlds and Thinkific. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore LearnDash, Kajabi, and Podia. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.